Before buying Evernote, there are 12 things you need to know, especially when comparing it to other productivity tools like Notion, Microsoft OneNote, or Google Keep. Is Evernote really worth the investment? Stick with me until the end, and I'll help you make an informed decision. First, Evernote's user interface is straightforward and clean, but some users find it cluttered with all its options. Compared to Notion, which focuses on flexibility, Evernote sticks to the basics with an emphasis on note-taking and organizing. Next, the free version of Evernote limits you to 2 devices, while the paid versions offer better syncing across multiple devices. If you need more than just the basics, like syncing across all your devices, you'll have to pay. This is where Google Keep and Microsoft OneNote stand out with their unlimited syncing on the free plans. The third thing to know is Evernote's search function. It's robust, with the ability to search through text, PDFs, and even images. This feature puts it ahead of Google Keep, but if you're looking for something even more powerful, Notion's search capabilities give you more control. Now, let's talk about tags and notebooks. Evernote uses a notebook system to organize your content, and while this works well for many, it can be somewhat rigid compared to Notion, which allows for more customized views. If you're someone who needs more structure, Evernote might work, but if you need flexibility, Notion could be a better fit. The fifth thing is Evernote's Web Clipper, which lets you easily save web pages and articles for later reading. It's an essential feature for many users who like to gather information from the web. However, the Clipper in Notion and OneNote are also great, with Notion even letting you organize these clips in different databases. Another thing to know is Evernote's premium features, like offline access and increased storage limits. If you're paying for the service, you'll get more perks, but if you're just using the free version, you'll be limited to a smaller storage space and fewer features. Keep that in mind when comparing it to competitors that may offer more generous free versions. The seventh thing is integrations. Evernote integrates with Google Drive, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and more. But Notion and OneNote have their own integrations that some may find more intuitive, especially if you're already embedded within the Microsoft or Google ecosystem. The eighth thing to consider is the mobile app. Evernote's mobile app works well, but Notion's mobile interface often feels a bit smoother. On the flip side, Evernote's dedicated mobile app can make it easier to manage your notes while you're on the go, and it doesn't have as steep of a learning curve as Notion's. Next, Evernote does a decent job of organizing notes, but it doesn't allow for the same level of customization and database management that Notion provides. Notion's flexible layouts let you create your own systems, while Evernote's structure feels more rigid. If you're someone who likes total control over how your notes are organized, Notion might win here. The 10th thing to consider is Evernote's pricing. It offers a free plan with limited features, and their premium plan can get a bit pricey compared to other apps like OneNote or Google Keep, which have solid free versions. Depending on what features you need, Evernote can feel a little costly for just basic note-taking. The 11th thing to know is Evernote's ability to handle rich media. You can attach images, audio, and other files to your notes, making it great for all kinds of multimedia content. However, Notion's approach to multimedia feels more seamless, letting you embed media directly into your pages for better customization. Lastly, Evernote's customer support has been a point of criticism, with some users saying it's hard to get a timely response. If you're looking for more reliable support, you might find OneNote or Notion's user communities and support systems more helpful. In conclusion, Evernote is a great option for those who need a solid, no-frills note-taking app, especially with its search and web clipping tools. However, if you're looking for a more flexible and customizable experience, Notion might be a better option. Try out our recommended solution, which offers a free trial to see if it suits your needs better.